3 years of continuous construction, and Camp Nou is now entering one of its most intense phases of transformation. The compression ring is expanding across multiple sectors. The decorative ceramic facade is rapidly covering the stadium's exterior, and major structural zones like the third tier, cantilever levels, and diamond areas are all moving forward at the same time. In today's update, we break down all the latest progress from around the stadium and see how everything is evolving on site. Work across the third tier continues to move forward at a steady pace. Crews are actively constructing interior areas by installing concrete block walls that will house future restrooms, concession areas, and hospitality facilities. The central sections remain the busiest, with visible progress on both structural and service-related spaces. Additional work is also taking place on the logistics level, where more panels and internal elements are gradually being installed. The continued development of these internal spaces is an important step toward preparing the third tier for future operational and spectator use. The compression ring continues to be one of the most important areas of progress across the stadium. Activity resumed at full pace as Tower Crane TC2 successfully lifted a new structural column into position in the south stand sector. Following the installation of the column, crews immediately began preparations for the next radial beam, which was later lifted and connected to the newly installed support. Additional ring components, support frames, and structural materials are already staged nearby, ensuring that work can continue without delays. The overall progress of the compression ring remains highly encouraging. Installation work is advancing steadily as crews continue adding new columns, radial beams, and ring segments around different sectors of the stadium. The construction sequence has become increasingly efficient, with support structures already prepared ahead of future installations, allowing new elements to be assembled more quickly. Installation of the ceramic lamas continues to gain momentum, with 2 dedicated teams now working simultaneously in different sections of the stadium. Significant progress has been recorded in the south stand, where several facade sections are rapidly being covered with the distinctive white ceramic panels. Additional work is also ongoing in the lateral section, where installers continue advancing one segment at a time. Large quantities of materials remain stockpiled on site, ensuring a steady workflow throughout the summer. The second cantilever level remains one of the most active areas of construction inside the stadium. Crews continue building interior spaces by installing concrete block walls, while work also progresses on future hospitality areas, restrooms, service facilities, and circulation zones. The central sections remain particularly busy, with multiple teams working simultaneously on structural and finishing elements. Progress on this level is becoming increasingly visible as more permanent interior spaces take shape across the stadium. Construction activity remains intense across all 3 diamond structures. The future club store diamond continues to lead in terms of progress, with multiple circular columns already formed and interior construction advancing simultaneously. In the lateral diamond, workers are actively assembling reinforcement cages, installing formwork panels, and preparing new structural elements for upcoming concrete pours. Activity has also increased around the ticket office diamond, where interior preparations and early structural works are becoming more visible. Work around the VIP ring continues steadily as crews focus on structural completion and enclosure preparations. Although much of the activity remains partially hidden from exterior viewpoints, progress is being made across multiple sections of the ring. Installation work continues around the surrounding structural elements, while preparations are also underway for future interior fit-out phases. As adjacent construction zones advance, the VIP ring is gradually becoming more integrated into the overall stadium structure. The stadium's access cores remain highly active as workers continue carrying out finishing and structural works throughout multiple sections. Crews are focused on painting steel elements, applying protective coatings, and completing detailed finishing work around the superstructure. These cores will eventually house elevators, escalators, staircases, and circulation areas connecting the various levels of the stadium. While much of the primary steel structure is already installed, significant progress continues on enclosure systems, finishing elements, and preparation for future mechanical installations. The lateral side of the stadium remains one of the busiest construction zones on site. Work is progressing simultaneously on the diamond structures, access cores, facade elements, and surrounding infrastructure. Crews continue installing enclosure systems while ground-level works advance around the perimeter. New structural components are arriving regularly, and activity remains visible across multiple levels of the stadium. This section is rapidly evolving and is expected to undergo significant transformation throughout the coming months. The north stand section of the compression ring is now well prepared for future expansion. Most of the support structures, sleeper beams, and installation platforms are already in position, creating ideal conditions for upcoming ring assemblies. Additional structural components continue arriving on site, while crews complete preparatory work around the remaining sections. Once the next sequence of installations begins, progress in this area is expected to accelerate significantly. Work is also progressing on the stadium's LED lighting system, with installation activity now taking place alongside the decorative ceramic lamas. Crews are continuing to fit lighting infrastructure directly onto sections of the facade where the decorative ceramic lamas have already been installed. These LED elements will play an important role in enhancing the stadium's nighttime appearance, highlighting the unique design of the facade and creating dynamic lighting effects around the exterior of the venue. As more decorative ceramic lamas are completed across the stadium, additional LED lighting installations are expected to expand into new sections in the coming months. Ground-level preparation work continues across several areas surrounding the stadium. Construction materials are being relocated, storage zones are being reorganized, and temporary facilities are gradually being moved to new locations. Several areas have become noticeably clearer compared to previous weeks, suggesting preparations for future infrastructure and parking works. These developments indicate that attention is increasingly turning toward the external areas that will support the stadium once construction enters its final stages. The north stand continues to show steady progress on both structural and facade-related works. Installation areas for the ceramic lamas are largely prepared, with support brackets and anchoring systems already in place. Finishing works continue throughout the area, including painting, surface treatments, and adjustments to structural elements. While activity appears less intense than in some other sectors, important groundwork is being completed to support future facade installation and finishing operations. The tribune stand continues to make steady progress as work advances across multiple levels of the structure. Construction crews remain active on the upper sections of the stand, carrying out finishing works, structural treatments, and preparations for future installations. Activity can also be seen around the third-tier seating areas, where workers continue refining structural elements and completing detailed construction tasks. Several access points and service areas within the stand are also progressing as the project moves closer to the next phase. Overall, construction activity across the Camp Nou remains extremely active as multiple major construction fronts continue advancing simultaneously. Progress is visible on the compression ring, ceramic facade, third tier, diamond structures, access cores, and surrounding infrastructure. The return of TC2 to full operation, the continued installation of ceramic lamas, and the rapid development of the diamond structures are among the most significant highlights of this update. With uninterrupted summer working conditions now in place, the project is entering one of its most important phases, and substantial progress is expected across virtually every area of the stadium in the weeks ahead.